All right, well, we're back at the house. So we're going to go ahead and do our intake because it was kind of dark when I picked him up. She said they ate at 7. It's like almost 9. And they're yelling, so... Oh my God. There's the first one. Okay. Okay. Oh, we're going to have to lock you in. Clearly, we have an escape artist. Let's see if they're hungry. You want some Bubba? Oh my God. Oh. Baby. Got it, honey. Here. Oh, we struggling a little. Okay. My goodness. Okay. Here. There you go. I know. Here. Oh, okay. Okay. Now we got it. Oh my goodness. Good. Oh my goodness. Good job. Good job. Let's see if you're a boy or a girl. I believe this is a little girl. We're going to do the business. We're going to weigh her. See what she comes in at. Get down, Buffy girl. Good job. All right. Let's see what this one comes in at. 204 grams. Fantastic. Let's get the next. We got us a creamy ginger. This one I believe is a boy. Here, Bubba. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Good job, Bubba. Good job. Let's do our business. This one's gonna be fluffy. With them little toe beans. All right. Let's see how much he weighs. He's 204 grams as well. All right. 2 for 2. We have us another little gray and white, and this is clearly the runt. A girl. Oh my goodness, come on. Yes, we're so hungry. We're so hungry. Come on. You got it. Oh, there we go. She's got white eyeliner. She's very pretty. It's tax day, so I wonder if they named him after taxes. That'd be funny. Oh, goodness. Yes, ma'am. Good. Oh, my goodness. Good job. Good job, sister. I know. I know. I think she's going to be kind of fluffy, too. All right, let's see what she weighs. She's definitely not 200 grams. She's 173. She's a petite little thing. Yes. We're going to go put them in the NICU. And we'll be back in a few hours to feed them again. All right.